You think?
Maybe I'll just use this orange. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Is it J, Mommy? Is J's next with it? Stop.
You tell me.
J? Okay, I'll draw J. But the white one. A white one. A J is like this. What's the point, kids? Stop. A J is like this, Aubrey. See? You see that, Aubrey? See that? Yeah? So, a J is like that. You write a J like that, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And K go. A K is like this. High five! I'm not done yet. A K is like this, okay? See? And then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It's L, and then an L is like this. You done now? Nope. It's not finished until the other. See, you need other. I need one more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 7. Stop. I need 7 more first, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And then stop and come over here so you can learn how to write the ABCs. You can get it later, okay? So, an M is like this. See? So, I'm telling you, an M is like this. Okay. Okay. A, B, C,